In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix your Airdrop feature not working on your iOS device. Alright guys, so today I do have some fixes for you guys, and it's going to be for the people who are having issues with their Airdrop. I do have 3 fixes for you guys, so if you guys do stay tuned for the whole video, your Airdrop should be working back again. And if not, be sure to let me know in the comment section below, and I will be sure to help as many people as I can. The only thing I do ask is that you follow me on my social media and subscribe to the channel. Hit me up with a like and stay tuned for giveaways, tech videos, and unboxings coming up. Switching over to iPhone cam. So again, if you guys do find this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. So, what you guys want to do for step number 1 is try and unconnect from your Wi-Fi source. So try unconnecting from both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then try turning them back on again. That's fix number 1. Obviously, I'm pretty sure that's the first thing you guys would try, but if you didn't, that's cool too. Now make sure, so if you're connected to a Wi-Fi source, for some reason sometimes it doesn't work on certain Wi-Fi networks. I'm not sure exactly why, but it does happen. So sometimes you might just want to do it off of LTE and Bluetooth, so that's good. And of course, make sure you're not in airplane mode. Obviously, airplane mode is the orange button on top, which is right here. It turns orange once it's clicked, so you guys will know if you are in airplane mode. For our second fix, what you guys want to do is hold the internet or the Wi-Fi symbol, click on Airdrop, and make sure it's set to everyone, because sometimes you don't have their number or contact info information, and after that it should appear if you guys don't have them on your iOS device contacts. I have one more solution for you. So what you guys want to do is head down to settings, go to screen time, which is right here, go to content and privacy restrictions, then once you're there, go to allowed apps. So make sure AirPlay is on. Now for some reason some people have this off. Make sure it's on and available for you to use. And of course, that should be able to fix your Airdrop issue. And again guys, sometimes Wi-Fi networks do block it, so make sure if it is the Wi-Fi network, try your LTE. And if not, that's the best of the fixes I have, guys. If I find any new fixes, I will update you guys on this video. Have a great day, guys. Stay tuned for more awesome giveaways, videos, and content for you guys. See you guys in the next one.